In a world where light shapes life, photons, fundamental particles of light, play an intricate dance that spans the quantum realm. Their role extends beyond illumination, as they engage in behaviors like superposition and entanglement, influencing processes from photosynthesis to vision. Yet, their quantum properties offer more than just survival. They invite us to transform technology, from advanced imaging systems to secure quantum communication. By observing how nature leverages photons' quantum power, we discover the potential to revolutionize sustainability and innovation. This video invites you to harness the light's unseen force, guiding you to integrate quantum principles into everyday practices.